What's up? So I'm running the Johnny Azure props, and I tried them on 2450 motors. They run real well. This is because I went down that sliding board over here. Kind of went into place setting down the sliding board, so my fault on that. But they run real well on 27 or 2450. So now I have 2750 kV motors on this Rooster here. So let's see the difference in them. They say they perform really well on higher kV, so let's determine that. Make it jump. So yes, I have seen the difference. So yeah, there are difference with these props. I just spent one hitting that tree right there, but you're gonna bend them, spinning them at this kind of speed. But oh my God, I'm definitely gonna be ordering quite a few packs of these now. So yes, they're good on 2450, but my take on them on 2750. What do you think of 2750? He wouldn't even fly this quad before because of the quickness. But what do you think as far as the? I've flown it way better, right? Way smoother. It didn't seem like it was way like, you know, digging in with the power. Oh man, definitely. Azure Johnny props. You'll hear us amongst our group call them faggot props, but is what it is.